Let's assemble our new couch. Out with the broken old couch and in with the new. So much room for activity. This one. Wow, look at all the shoes.
Falling down.
Yeah. Pivot!
Now, time for the easy part. What if I told you the hardest part about this whole thing was getting rid of our old crusty couch? Yeah, this process for putting the couch together was so simple. The only thing I did was put the legs on each chair. Chad put the little hooks and the chair like actually together. It was so simple, literally just like that. Aside from the super easy assembly, I think my two favorite parts are the fact that each chair has storage underneath it. So if you have pillows, blankets, anything like that, dog toys, you can put it in there. And then what Chad's doing right here is hooking each chair to each other. So it, one, provides customizable designs, and two, the chairs won't slip and slide. They will stay right next to each other. The comfort and quality is unmatched, and it's exactly what our living room needed. A nice little refresh, and we couldn't be happier.